Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. Okay, but before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself. All you just need to do is just for you to understand the method or the strategies of trading, and do your own personal practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be analyzing all these assets together. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading account to a bigger one. Okay, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay, okay guys, this is boom 1000. It had been on downtrend for a while, and right from there it started popping up, got to this resistance or pullback, and of course it will be trying it out again. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay, this is boom 500. This actually went on downtrend even though the movement was a bit slow. Okay, but when it got to this support zone, it was unable to go further, and it started buying right from there. And at the moment it's still buying, even though it might not be for a very long time because it is already at the resistance zone. So if it's unable to break out from there, it will go back into a sell trend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000. This has been on downtrend, but the market played around there for a while before breaking out below the support zone to a sell point right here. It has not been able to break out below this sell point, so it's trying to go back on buy trend, but we need it to break out above this resistance zone. Once it breaks out above this, it's going to buy more, but for now it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. Right from the support zone, it started an uptrend, got to this resistance zone, had a pullback, but went back up again till it got to this region. So this is still buying at the moment. Okay, so we need to take note of that. Okay, so the next asset, which is going to be the last one, is called volatility 75. V75 had been on downtrend for a very long time, but it got to this support zone and played around there for a while, but later on went down to break out below the support zone, and of course it's still selling at the moment. If it's unable to break out below the support zone, then it will go back on buy trend, but for now it is still selling until it is unable to break out below the support zone. That is when it will go back on buy trend. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.